Here's a 2018 Lincoln MKC. Here you can find luxury sedan refinement blended with the best traits of a sport crossover. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, streaming audio, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights the sharp, distinctive styling, spacious cabin, powerful and fuel-efficient engine, and cutting-edge electronics. Lincoln, luxury accommodations for your everyday. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.